Hello friends, welcome to my channel AnkanaaK by Kaushiki, and today I am back with my next creation with buttons. These are the craft supplies sent to me by beebeecrafts.com. If you love to create something, you can of course check their website for some amazing products. I have linked the details of their website in the description box for your reference. And let's jump in to see the process, how I'm going to make my next piece of jewelry. I have sorted the buttons and would be taking 3 blue buttons and 3 green buttons. These are wooden buttons for the jewelry that I'm going to make. The things that I need for this jewelry are a few head pins, jump rings, small jump ring and a big jump ring. You can mix them both. Large jump rings I'm using for this piece, and I would be using a silver chain. So to begin with, I need to create some connections, and for the connections I'll be putting the head pin in each button and cut them short and create a loop so that I can fix it to the chain. So let's see how it looks. Well, I think the purple buttons will not be needed. Only with the blue and green buttons I'll be making it. Meanwhile, you can check the unboxing of the products that I have received from beebeecraft.com. Just click onto the link above. This time my loops are better. They are round, firm, and not perfect, but they are good. I am repeating the process with all the 6 buttons. Now I'll make a pair. I'll use the jump ring and I'll join one blue and a green button together, and I'll make 3 pair together, and I'll connect them with one jump ring. Make sure you decide the length of the chain to give a particular length to your product. I kind of like little long ones. It's completely up to you what kind of length you want to give, and just trim the chain with the desired size. Now I'll fix the top of the chain with a jump ring, and I'll put a ear hook to it. Repeating it with the other side, with the other pair. I really thank bbcraft.com for providing me this opportunity to create something beautiful from the supplies they sent me. They are very colorful, they are bright, and I personally love wearing earrings, so it was fun doing these products. And the earring is ready. So this is the second earring that I made with buttons, and I hope you liked it. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like and comment. Till my next video, take care, stay safe, stay creative. Bye bye.